Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla Ramawijaya with name 44250694 from Bina Sarana Informatika University Sleepy Campus. Today I'm going to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. I think this topic is really important because it affects not only smokers but also people around them, especially students who don't smoke. On campus, we come to learn, to focus, and to grow, not inhale smoke. Honestly, I don't have people who smoke. Everyone has their own choices and I respect that. But smoking in the campus area, that's a different thing. Because when you smoke in public areas like near classroom or cafeterias, the smoke spreads everywhere. Non-smokers, including me, have no choice but to breathe it in. It's not fair, right? Campus is supposed to be a clean and safe environment. When the air is filled with cigarette smoke, it doesn't just make the place unforgettable, it also affects our health. Let's talk about secondhand smoke. Even if we don't smoke, we can still get exposure to the same harmful chemical from someone else's cigarette. According to health research, secondhand smoke can cause the same diseases like lung cancer, asthma, and heart problems. Imagine study in a place that's supposed to be healthy and inspiring, but the air feels heavy and smells bad. That's not the kind of campus life we want, right? I also think smoke in campus area gives a bad inspiration, especially for new students or visitors. It makes the environment look less disciplined. If the campus allows smoking freely, what message does that send? It's like saying it's okay to ignore others' comfort, and that's not the value education should teach us. But I also believe banning smoking completely isn't always easy. Some students and staff might be addicted, and forcing them suddenly to stop could create tensions. So maybe the best solution is to make smoking zones, places far from study of areas where smokers can go without disturbing others. That's why both sides, smokers and non-smokers, can feel comfortable. It's about respect and balance. In my opinion, smoking in campus areas should be restricted not because we want to judge smokers, but because we want to protect everyone's health and comfort. We can create a clean, fresher, and more productive environment if we work together, students, teachers, and staff to respect each other's space. So that's my opinion. Let's make our campus a better and healthier place for everyone. Next, I will present the simple present tense. Introduction. In English, we often talk about our daily routines, habits, and general facts. To express these kinds of things, we use the simple present tense. It's one of the first tense we learn in grammar and also one of the most commonly used in daily life. Next, definition. The simple present tense is a tense used to describe actions that happen regularly, habits, routine, facts, and situations that are always true. For example, when we say I wake up at 6 a.m. or the sunrise in the east, those action or facts happen again and again, not just one time. Next, explanation in simple words. Think of the simple present as the tense we use to talk about things that are normal, usually or part of life. It doesn't mean something is happening right now, but that it happens regularly. Next, the formula affirmative. In positive or affirmative sentences, we use the formula subject plus verb 1 plus s or is. The s or is only for he, she, or it. Example, I played with her and she played with her. The formula negative. In negative sentences, we use do not, done, or does not, doesn't before the base verb. Example, I don't like coffee, he doesn't watch TV. Notice that after doesn't, we don't add s anymore. Next, the formula questions. To make question, we move do or does to the front of the subject. Example, do you study every night? Does she work on weekends? If the question asks does, the verb goes back to its best form. Next, verb change. For he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. Example, he reads books, she goes to school, but for I, you, we, they, the verb stays the same. I read, they go. Next, when to use simple present, we use this tense when talking about habits, fact, and general truth. For example, I go to campus every morning to earth movies around the sun. My father works in an office. It's also used for things that are always true and regularly repeated. Next, talking about habits. This tense is perfect for describing what you do regularly. Example, I take a shower every morning. She drink coffee every day. It shows what's part of your daily life. Next, talking about fact and truth. We also ask simple present for scientific fact or general truth. Example, water boils at 1000 degrees Celsius. The moon goes around the earth. Next, talking about schedule. Even though schedule are about the future, we use the simple present because they are considered fixed. Example, the class starts at 8 a.m. and the bus leaves at 6 o'clock. Next, adverb of frequency. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never are commonly used with simple present. Example, I always brush my teeth in the morning. He never eats vegetables. Next, time expressions. Sometimes expressions that go with simple present are every day, every week, every month, every Mondays, on in the morning. Example, we go jogging every Sunday. Next, common mistake. Many learners forget to add s for he, she, and it. Wrong, he goes to school every day. Right, he goes to school every day. Another mistake is adding s after does. Wrong, he doesn't go to school. Right, he doesn't go to school. Next, short conversation. Example A, do you like coffee? B, no I don't, I prefer tea. A, what do you usually drink in the morning? B, I usually drink milk. Next, real life application. The us this tense every time we describe routines or talk about things that always happen. You'll hear it in daily conversation, report, or even announcement. Example, our shop opened at 9, the train arrives at noon. Next, quick comparison. Simple present talk about routines, while present continuous talk about action happening right now. Example, simple present tense, I read books every day. Present continuous, I'm reading a book right now. Next, conclusion. To sum up, the simple present tense is the easiest and most useful tense in English. It helps for describe habits, fact, and daily life. Just remember the rules. At S for he, she, it, and us, do, or does for negative and questions. Practice it often, and I will become natural to us. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.